Hey everyone, this is Vienna, Skye.
Yo, what's up guys? So today is March 27th and I keep getting comments that I should continue my daily vlogs. So I'm gonna vlog today. I'm getting my nails done because right now I have this green, except I don't know what color to get. I want purple because I've already had blue and blue is the fave color. But I'm thinking purple today. And then I'm going back to New York tonight because I have an event. I'm in New Jersey right now. So let's go. And I just got a new camera because my camera was broken and I have warranty, and like the new camera is so nice. Like it's the same exact thing, it's just newer, and like, oh, it's beautiful. Okay, I'm back and I just got my nails done and they look so cute. And I went to LA Perfection Nails in Spotswood, New Jersey, if you're in the area. I think her name was Jenny. She was so nice. Like, I normally am so uncomfortable getting my nails done because I never want to speak, but like, she was talking to me, it was great. And it literally cost $28 when in New York, I will go to Paint Box, which is like some boutique-y nail thing, and it's like $70. It's so bad. So like, this was so good because look. I got like bright orange with the little star. They're so cute. I'm so excited. I'm gonna look so good for this event tonight, even though like they don't even match my outfit, but it's okay. Now I'm going home and then I think I'm going on the border with my mom. Oh, she's so cute. Look at those cheekbones. Look at that red hair. My mom is beautiful, guys. We're at a red light so you can say hi.
Oh, hi.
We just went on the border, had some chips and salsa. I had a fajita salad, it was really good. And now she's taking me to the bus. Wow, you're rocking my hairstyle right now. With the two buns.
I have to though. Yes, I just took my daughter for a tour of East Brunswick as I'm such a nitwit. And I totally went around in a circle. But it actually
we literally went to lunch right by the bus station, but I wasn't paying attention even though I know how to get there.
And I zoned out.
She's just driving around East Brunswick.
So, you know, it's all good. Thank God you're not in a rush.
I know.
You know, so, but you know, you got to see your hometown again. I'm sure you forgot what it looked like since last week. Yeah, this is what happens, a senior moment.
A senior moment.
Well, actually, technically,
it's okay, I still love you.
I know, but technically, I will be a senior next year if I go.
You look so good.
I know.
Are you 55?
No, 54, don't add a year on.
She's gonna be 50, no, she just turned 54. Look how, she's hot. You're so gorgeous.
Yeah, okay. It's only because you get told you look like me.
Bye, Mom. I've arrived in New York. I had to run to my dorm to grab my outfit for tonight. And now I'm gonna go to Eloy's because we're going together. And so we're gonna get ready together. I'm like trying to wear some of the things that I'm wearing tonight, but with my normal outfit, so I look a little crazy. But it's okay, we're in New York, everyone's crazy. Yo, I'm at Eloy's playing Fortnite. Okay, but I forgot something at my dorm because he wanted to borrow a shirt and jacket of mine, so I have to go back and get it. He's eating gluten-free mac and cheese. Oh wait, this looks so funny. Eloy, look. I look like I'm so far away from you.
It's like soup.
Wait, look. Eloy.
It's like soup.
Okay, don't get the gluten-free mac and cheese from Whole Foods. All I'm saying. We're at the park. Ah! We're at the park right now shooting some stuff for Yikes Vintage. You're so weird. But look, he looks so cute in this. If you like it, shop it on our Depop at Yikes. Oh my god, stop it, put that away. We are in a children's park. Very cute, very cute. The shirt is for sale. Excuse me? Let's go. Stand right there. Getting ready for the event. Guys, I feel like a superhero when I wear my hair like this. Like, comment below if I should do a beauty video. That's what I feel like I'm doing right now. Okay, so we are going to the event now. But first we are going to this Portuguese bakery that Eloy found. We are just waiting for our car. We have arrived at the bakery.
We have already eaten at the bakery, but Vienna forgot to vlog as soon as we got here. They're like all these sneakers.
We are in our favorite store right now.
It's not my favorite store.
What's your favorite store? Getting the whole fit.
Jesus, get out of the way. I'm walking.
Okay, we are at the Factory PR showroom, and they have Shake Shack and Tipsy Scoop. Pretty exciting. They have some really cute clothes. Look at his shirt. That's my mom's shirt. My jacket. Welcome to the showroom. We're at the spot, Popeyes. It wouldn't be a fun night without it. So we're getting an Uber, and guess how much it costs? $1. $1. Okay. Well, I don't know what's going on. But $1? That's insane. Oh, he's right here.